Really? Stop taking all the fabric. Come on, y'all. It is Sunday, April 19th. Look at all the fabric. Everybody's taking all the fabric to make snacks. You are mine. I praise you, Lord. I praise you, Lord. Yes, yes. One place is internet acting funny, but watching Freaky Friday.
Your door is underneath the back stairs.
Like I didn't figure that out.
Sometimes I be forgetting the vlog. Good morning. It is April 20th, 2020. Yeah, the week's all caught up back in school, so now I actually had to do homework today. Yeah, so that sucks. So Sims might be on the back burner until I actually get something done. Luckily, I do have like some discussions done, so I'm gonna type those up today. And yeah, this week probably gonna be like probably less uploads today. Less this week. I did put up this Cracker Barrel mukbang that's been up next.
Tony got engaged to Clay, but then Tony decided that she really wanted Greg. But then Joan accidentally opened up her big mouth and told Greg about the engagement. So only told Tony that she had told Greg about the other guy. Bitch slap.
People know about this, but it's so cool. It's like bleach and like turbo bottle. So like uses for laundry and cleaning. Yeah. Attraction. Then I had him, and he had. Thank you guys. I'm actually about to play some Grand Theft Auto and play Sims, and I'm actually going to sleep downstairs tonight. So I will see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Not sure. And nobody answered me for the Q&A. That was a hint. Like, no Q&A for the vlog then. But I'll see y'all.
That I'm sorry if I led you on to think that I was in a relationship with you, but I'm not a lesbian. When I had like no real intentions of being in a relationship with you.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? by Sinead Grimes Beach from 90210 in Degrassi. She actually just put up a video today doing a reunion with most of the cast. Like, so excited for that. Well, everybody, I'm gonna end this week's vlog. Yeah, sorry it wasn't much, you know, considering everything. Maybe I'll take a break from vlogging for a few days or something. Maybe start back in May. But I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I have to do some homework and stuff, and yeah, I'll see y'all. Also, I'll be saying this, and I'm ending Grind My Gears. Like, it will no longer be called Grind My Gears. It's gonna be called Rose Being a Savage, which is basically the same thing I was already doing, just with a new name. And, you know, just me telling it like it is, telling my thoughts about things or anything. I was gonna call it Blunt Rose, but I was like, I don't know. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.